Hey everybody, welcome back to Bummer's Instapot. Look here, we got a nice 3-pound brisket. Tonight we're going to make pulled brisket. Very simple, easy recipe. You only need a few ingredients. 1.5 cups of beef broth, some SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic, some brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce, a little liquid smoke, and some barbecue sauce. So, get ready to get this thing in the pot. Get ready to start cooking. First thing we're going to do, take the beef broth, and we're using the Stubbs hickory liquid smoke. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke and with the beef broth. Don't need a lot of liquid smoke, makes it super powerful. That's super powerful, that's for sure. We're going to go ahead and pour this all in the bottom here. Tonight we're not going to be using a trivet or anything. So I'm just going to place the brisket right in the bottom. We got our Worcestershire sauce. I want 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So you're just using Heinz, or can I pronounce it right? Worcestershire sauce, there we go. So we want 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm just going to pour that right on the top. There we go. You're also going to want, all right, next thing, got the SPG. This one here is McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt with black pepper and garlic. So what we want here is another 2 tablespoons. Pour a little extra in, that's all right. Try to get it sprinkled all over. Get it over on the top of that brisket good. Get it down on the sides. So we want 2 of those. All right, good Texas brisket. Plenty of salt, pepper, and garlic. All right, there we go with that. And then we just got some brown sugar. I only want 1 tablespoon of some brown sugar. See if I can get in this bag here and get it out. Good and packed. Probably have to use my fingers. Good thing I got some gloves on here. Go ahead and get that knocked out. Get it sprinkled all over the top of it. Get some down in the beef broth. Get it all covered up nice and tasty. Next thing, some barbecue sauce. We want 2 cups of barbecue sauce in this. So, got the cup here. Let me go ahead and pour out 2 cups. Come on, hope I got enough. Should be there. All right, not quite 2 cups, but pretty much right there. Maybe about a 1/4 cup low, but that's fine. Oh, we got 1.5 cups. That'll work. Just pour it all over the top of everything. Get it down in the sauce. Try not to wash all your stuff off the top of the brisket. There we go. All right, let's get ready to put the top on this. Get ready to turn the timer on. Okay, folks, here we go. We're gonna get the top on now. Go ahead and get it turned on with pressure cook. And we're gonna want this to go for 90 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and do 95 minutes since it's 3 pounds. Let it get up there. There we go, hour 35 minutes. Turn it on. We're gonna let it keep cooking. Oh, make sure your seal's on. Almost forgot that. All right, it's gonna heat up, get pressured, cook for 95 minutes. We'll let it slow release, probably 15-30 minutes, and come in here and hopefully it's ready to fall apart and get this thing pulled. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Let it go for the full 95 minutes. It's now been slow releasing for 19 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this turned off. Finish releasing the rest of the steam. Boom. Alrighty, pins dropped. I tell you what, it's smelling good. The whole house smells like barbecue right now. Get this moved out of the way. Right, hopefully this will come out of here. Keep holding it together. There we go. Let's get it down into a bowl so we can get it tore apart. Alright, this thing's probably super hot, but got my glove protectors on, plastic gloves. Let's see if this thing will tear apart pretty good. Oh, probably should have let it go a little bit longer. Oh, it is super hot. Some of it's pulling apart good. Right there. Alrighty, let me get this finished pulling apart. We'll be right back. Alright, we got it all pulled apart here, folks. Man, that was super hot. Wasn't quite as pull apart tender as I'd like, but turned out looking pretty good here. Make us up a couple sandwiches. I did do a taste test. It is really good. So, move that over. We got some Berman's original barbecue sauce. A little bit of that. Come on. A little bit of that put on the top of it. Add a little sliced tomato to it. See how it turns out. All right. Get that moved over. That moved over. These buns are held together. Oh, had it upside down actually, but oh well. Give this a quick taste test. Super good. Super quick, easy meal to make. Could have done this even if it was frozen. I'd have probably went for probably an hour 45 minutes next time. Make it just a little bit more tender, but tastes delicious. Been here this long, guys. Go down and click that subscribe button. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, and we'll see you folks next time.